Hi everybody! I'm Miss Eva and this is my trusty assistant, Handy. We would like to welcome you all to CSE Review Class. In this channel, we will be discussing everything about the Philippine Civil Service exam. From the required documents when filing, tips and tricks on how to review for the exam efficiently, the best books to purchase as review materials, all the way to the list of passers when the results of the exams come out. So if you are on self-review and would like to have a higher chance of passing the civil service exam in just one take, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you and see you on our future videos.